Welcome again, guys. Welcome to Chris's Caribbean Delights, and today we're gonna make an easy Spanish rice. First of all, what we'll need to do, you need to rinse your rice out. You rinse your rice a couple of times and just let it sit there. We're gonna use we have some beans here. We're gonna put some beans in there, which is totally optional. We have onions. We have two onions that are cut up, or one large onion that I cut up, cumin, garlic paste, and a little piece of hot pepper, totally optional also. We're going to use some green snap peas. I cut those up in a little smaller snap peas. We're going to use some Goya sazon, and for a little extra color we're going to use some Bijol, butter and oil, which we're going to saute the stuff in, tomato paste and tomato sauce. So we're gonna use some tomato sauce, some tomato paste when we're sauteing the vegetables, and then we'll add the tomato sauce later. Also, we're gonna cook this in some chicken broth. I have 2 cans of chicken broth here, which we're gonna cook this in. If we do need more water, we'll just add an extra can of chicken broth or water. So first of all, let's get our pan heated. The pan was heating before. I have some butter and some oil in there, and we're going to toast the rice. We're going to get the rice toasted first. So once this heats up, we're going to put the rice in there and get it toasted for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we'll continue. Get the rice toasted for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the rice is toasted, we'll just add the garlic and the onion. Get that sauteed along with the beans, with the snap peas. Take that out for now. That's my hot pepper. Get some tomato paste in there. Sauce. And we're going to let this cook for about a minute. Added a little bit of salt, which is needed, and some bullion powder. Here we go with the first can of chicken broth. Added 2 cans of 2 cans. I added 2 cans of chicken broth, and that seems to be, I think I have to get just a little more, just another half a can, and just to bring it up to thing, and then I'll cover it and let it simmer. To 25 minutes, we'll check it again. And as always, I finished my seasoned rices in the oven. So I put it in the oven on at 300 for about 15 minutes. And it's cooked all the way around nicely. And it's going to be nice and fluffy. Now I'll take it out. And here you are, guys. Nice and fluffy Spanish rice. Simple and easy Spanish rice. It's nice and fluffy. We let it cool before we put it into our serving bowl. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next clip.